Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a hair serum made with 3 miracle seeds. This serum will help regrow lost hair as all the 3 seeds have wonderful hair growth promoting properties. The first seed is fenugreek. From treating dandruff to promoting hair growth, fenugreek has been used for hair care for centuries. Here in our village, we use fenugreek for hair care extensively. The second seed is kalonji, also called as black cumin in English. Kalonji is excellent for promoting hair regrowth, and it nourishes the hair follicles and prevents hair fall. It is also one of the best treatments for bald spots. The last is flax seeds. Flaxseed gel strengthens the hair from the roots and promotes hair growth. This serum can be used by everyone. It is so easy to make, and regular use will greatly help with hair regrowth. Just follow the instructions I've given exactly and you'll get a wonderful hair growth promoting serum. To make the serum, boil a cup of water in a pot. Now take 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in a bowl. Add in 2 teaspoons of kalonji seeds. Finally, add in 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds too. Add this mixture to the boiling water. Let the mixture boil in medium flame. Now collect a handful of neem leaves. Add the neem leaves to the boiling mixture. Continue boiling in medium flame. Make sure to stir often to prevent the flaxseed sticking to the bottom of the pan. The mixture will slowly start to gel. Once the mixture is reduced and formed a slightly runny gel, remove from the fire. Let cool a bit and strain by pouring the mixture through a cotton cloth. Squeeze with your hands to extract the serum completely. This serum can be used by everyone. To use, take the serum and apply it all over the scalp and hair. The serum will dry on the scalp soon. You can either leave it on overnight or wash it off after an hour. I have used neem leaves here as it helps treat all scalp problems from scalp inflammation to dandruff and itching. You can also use rosemary, bringraj, or any hair growth promoting herb that you have at home. If you're prone to sinus infection, reduce the amount of fenugreek seeds and don't leave it on overnight. I haven't used any oil here, but if your hair is extremely dry, you can add in a teaspoon of virgin coconut oil or sweet almond oil. When boiling, make sure not to boil it too thick, else it'll be difficult to apply it on the hair. Even if you accidentally do, add little bit more water to thin it down. This serum will last well in the fridge for about 4 to 5 days. Use this serum as often as you can to see good results. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.